Once you log into your Canvas account, when you're at your dashboard, it should show you a list of all the classes that you're enrolled in. Up here under Account, you have the option to open or start an ePortfolio, and that's what I want you to choose. Now, it tells you what an ePortfolio is. It's a place where you can display and discuss the significant submissions and experiences that are happening during your learning process. So that is what we're going to use it for. You guys are going to use your ePortfolio to keep track of the challenges that you have, or the work that you have created in your challenges in this ePortfolio. So go ahead and click the Create button, and you're going to name it. And I would like you to go ahead and name it your first and last name. So if it was my portfolio, I would say Kristen Samuelson's portfolio 4, and then the name of your class. So if it's Principles of Information Technology, you could put Pitt. If it was Principles of Art, Audio Visual Technology Communications, you could put that. And if it was for digital graphics and animation, you could do DGI or DGI 2 if that's your class. So you decide what that title is there. Just keep this part of it consistent and then put your class name in. Now, you want to make sure that you check the box that says Make It Public. And that's so that if I need to go in and find it, I can. And then choose Make ePortfolio. Now, once you do that, you are going to have a list here of items that you've worked on recently in Canvas. You can ignore that for now. And what we want to do is we want to click on this Getting Started. Actually, no. Well, you can click on that and it shows you some information about what they are. Okay. However, since I know what we're doing, we're going to go ahead and do View the Portfolio. So this is our first page, the welcome page, and it's basically your home page. Over here on the right, you can click on the pencil to edit it. And I want you to realize that you can add several things to it. You can add rich text, you can add HTML and embed content. You can have a course submission, and you can put images and other files in there. So we are going to go ahead and leave that welcome there. And what you're going to enter here is going to be a brief biography about yourself, and it's something that you can add to later. What I'd like you to do is say something about that you are a junior at, or whatever you are, at LCHS, and you are, or sorry, I'm saying you are, and am enrolled in the, and this is where you would put in the full name, Principles of Art, Audio, Video, Technology, Communications class. If you can get at least that down now, then you can add to your biography later. And when you're done, you'll click Save. I would not check the Allow Comments. I'd leave that unchecked for now and click Save. Now, in order for you to add a page, you come up here to Organize, Manage Pages, and then you can click Add Another Page. You don't have to add another page. Well, actually, you do need to add another page. Go ahead and add another page right now, and we're going to call that Introductory Materials. We may change the name of that later, and then we'll come in and edit. Oops, not that page. Let me go back. You actually have to click on Introductory Materials in order to edit that page, and that's what it's called. And this is where we'll put in informations like our technology responsible use guidelines. And I will also tell you that I like to do the newer posts at the top. That makes it easier for me to see, and it also means that it should be your best work at the top because that's what you have the most experience in. So it should be your other work down here, newest stuff at the top. So under Technology Responsible Use Guidelines, that's where you can put in your own brief summary about what that topic means to you. Okay, just a couple of sentences is fine. And then as you add more to this page, you would add it at the top. And again, make sure you hit Save Page. And then later, as we add more materials to our portfolio, that's where we can add more pages. We can rearrange the order of the pages, and at some point you'll go in and edit the look or the design of your pages as well. So what I want you to do next is, if you click on your home page, this up here is your URL, your website address. And if you would copy that, and there's several ways you can copy, the easiest is the keyboard shortcut Control-C. You can also right-click and copy. And you will need to go to your profile. And there it is. And you'll notice that in your profile you have a website. And this is where I would like you to paste that website address and then hit Update. Now, if you wind up with an error message and it doesn't take, again, that's something that I'm trying to work out, and hopefully that'll be fixed. But there is a Google form on our website where you can paste it in there, and then I'll have it to review.